Hello everyone, this guide will show you how to toggle an LED connected to PP0. I am using the board STM32 F767ZI microcontroller and I will show you the serial wire viewer for real-time debugging. So hardware setting, this on-board LED, it is already connected on PP0 and my USB is properly connected for ST-Link for debugging, and the requirement this you have one cube ID for the software and the F7 HAL library we need to download. Implementation, just go to STM32 cube ID, create a new project, go to file, new STM32 project, select STM32 F767ZI as per my microcontroller, configure the project setting, click finish. Configure the GPIO and serial wire viewer SWV in the CubeMX. You need to enable PP0 as a GPIO output. Click the PP0 in the pinout view. Select GPIO output. In the GPIO configuration setting, you can check, actually it is normally setting GPIO output level is low, GPIO mode output push pull, GPIO push pull pull down, no pull up, no pull down, maximum output speed low. Now you need to enable the serial wire viewer SWV. Go to system core, sys, debug, select serial wire, and it will be enable the serial wire viewer. Now you go to the core clock setting, and you can see here it is your clock is 216 for STM32 F7. It simulates the ports, enable the port 0 for printf. Now go to code generation, create code. Otherwise you go to file and save, it will generate code and your project files with you for configuration. Now you need to add some code. In the main.c, modify the code. I will tell you. First you need to include the studio.h, where already it is STM32 F767.h. After that, private code you need to include in that code, otherwise it will disappear when you save again regenerate the code, it will erase this particular line. Then you need to put the prototype PFP some function. I will write here in the description, also you can see on the screen. This is required for the, and you can see this other code, this is also required. I will explain you. Then you want to toggle the LED, then you want to toggle the LED. So we know our pin is on GPIO B and pin number 0. So in between we write pin printf LED toggle and whatever the message you want to give, and the line and the next message also you can write. Then we need to configure the SWV in STM32 cube IDE. Go to Windows, show view, SWV item data console. Sometime it is not available, so what to do, I will explain how to get it. After that, go to item data console, select configure trace, enable ITM stimulus port 0, enable ITM stimulus port 0 for printf. This is the main requirement. Set the CPU core clock match to your system, so it was 2.1, so we'll match it so it was 216, so we'll match it. Okay, now build and debug. Build your project, Control plus P. Start debugging F11 also you can give command. Once the debugging mode, open the SWV item data console. Click start trace in the SWV item data console. View the LED on PB0 should be toggled every 500 millisecond. The SWV console should display the message. If no output appears in SWV, verify the if no output appear in the SWV, verify the item simulate port 0 enable and both code and SWV configuration. Check the core clock frequency match with your system clock. Ensure debugger support SWV, ST-Link v2 and above. If you use the clone, maybe you cannot get the serial wire viewer. If the LED doesn't toggle, verify the hardware connection. Check the PB0 properly configure GPIO output. Ensure no conflict peripherals are using PB0. If you get errors above ITM function, make sure it is included. Verify CMSIS properly include your project. Thanks.